balloon I'm going to show you is the flower. You grab a balloon and you blow it up all the way. These are going to be the petals. You let some air out and you stretch the balloon. Now you might want to practice this a few times before you actually continue on. Stretch. You make a circle with your index and your thumb, and then you grab on the balloon and you stretch the balloon like this. Make sure that your hands are not wet or sweaty, or you don't put any lotion on, because this might make the balloon pop. Let some more air out and stretch it again. Do this about 3 times to ensure that the balloon will not pop. Stretch one more time. And then you do a loop and you tie it together. Once both ends are tied, you cut the balloon in half like this. And you twist over it 3 times to make sure that it doesn't come undone. And you divide the balloon in 3. 1 and 3, just to estimate and make the petals of the flower the same size. You do a twist around the first one, and holding on to the first one, twist the second part in half 3 times. You fold it over together, grabbing both sides, and you push them together like this. You grab with one hand and twist with the other clockwise. Now, for the flower, you don't need to twist 3 times because it's so tightly packed that it will make sure to stay clean. Now that you have your flower petals, let's move on to the stem. For this one, I like to leave about 3 inches at the end so that we can have some space to make some petals or leaves for the stem. Tie your balloon, and we're going to do an apple twist. Once you have your apple twist done, you put it in the middle of the flower. You arrange the petals, make them look pretty. And you have your flower. Now, you go about 3 inches down the flower and make a bubble. And then you proceed to do 3 loops. 1, 2, and 3. Arrange the leaves. And you have your flower.